Good afternoon, everyone. How are you, beta?
Fine.
Fine.
देखो हमें खाई नहीं वैसा उधर गिरा था और अभी जो गया है वैसा रिक्शा मुझे ऐसे नाले से नहीं है देखो अंगुली मत कर बोले तो पीछे तेरे को तेरे क्या
Beta.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Yes, beta. I'm setting my screen.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
नाला से नहीं है
Okay, now
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, not visible.
अच्छा हाँ ऐसे ही इधर गिरा इनकी गाड़ी है
Now visible.
Okay, beta.
Now visible.
Okay, so everyone be ready for the Gayatri Mantra. Then we will start our lecture after Gayatri Mantra exercise and thought of the day. Okay?
Yes.
Now, everyone turn on your video. Get ready. Be ready, everyone, for Gayatri Mantra. Join your hand. Close your eyes. Join your hand, everyone. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, beta.
मैम प्लीज म्यूट ऑल
Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, and start. Om Bhuvasvaha Tadidam Yo Nam Prachodaya Om Bhuvasvaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devaki Yo
धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
Grab your hand, everyone. Okay. Now everyone is ready for the exercise. Hold your ear.
Yes, ma'am.
Hold your ear.
Yes, ma'am.
And pull it 5 times. 1,
1, 2, 3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
One. The thought of your video and write one thought. Okay. Any one thought. Good afternoon, everyone. Any one thought. Jyotindra and Utsav. Beta, now turn off your video. Good afternoon, Yagini. Beta, give the thought. Old is gold, help poor. Okay. Life is better with true friend. Yes. This is our today's thought. Life is better with true friends. Okay. And in the present day, the friends and the family members are very important to us. In this critical situation, the pandemic of COVID-19, we need a true friend. Okay. If we have a healthy relation with our friends and parents, it means we are the wealthy person. Okay. Okay, everyone. So this is our today's thought. Life is better if you have true friends. Okay. So now everyone, we will start our lecture. Okay, our one paragraph is remaining, the last paragraph in our textbook. So everyone, open your geography. Okay, I'm going to share you this screen. Beta Utsav and Ved Sonaya, off your video, beta. So I'm sharing the video. We will do the last paragraph. I'm going to explain you. It is remaining the last paragraph. Do you see whitish board band like a white glowing path? Okay, so I'm giving the name, anyone who can read it again. Dhara, you start reading, beta. This paragraph, Dhara. You have a book, beta. Dhara. Dhara, are you listening me, beta? I'm audible. Am I audible, beta? Dhara is not giving the response. Dhyani Kundaria, you start reading. Dhyani Kundaria.
Ma'am, from where?
Dhyani Kundaria, you have a textbook, beta?
Yes, ma'am, I have, but I don't find that word. Where we start?
Beta, last paragraph, galaxy wala. On the last page.
Ma'am, वो वाला ना, a galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars.
Do you see? Do you see? See here.
Do you see a whitish board band like a white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night? It is cluster of millions of stars. This band is the Milky Way galaxy, figure 1.6. Our solar system is a part of this galaxy. In ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named Akashganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that make the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. We are not certain about its size, but we know that all of us, you and I, belong to this universe.
Okay, so what is galaxy? We will read here. Okay, so see. Do you see a whitish broad band like a white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night? When it was the clear night sky, have you ever seen this type of scene which is given in figure 1.6? ऐसी नाइट जिसमें मून की लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट ना कर रही हो, मून इट मीन्स अमावस्या. Try to see this type of sky. Okay, this whitish broad band is showing the cluster of billions of stars. Okay, it means here, if you will see in the night sky this type of a white broad band, it means here are the billion of stars, and these group of billions of stars is called cluster of star, and it is known as the galaxy. Okay, group of star is known as the cluster of stars. Okay, so this is the cluster of star. It means group of billions of stars, which is known as the galaxy. Okay, and such a galaxy, we have many galaxies in our universe. Okay, for example, we have many students in a classroom. Okay, group of students make a class. Okay, so like as group of many stars makes a galaxy, and in a school we have many classes. Okay, like as in our universe we have many galaxies. Okay, cluster of stars, it means group of stars, billions of stars, groups make a galaxy, and we have many galaxies in our universe. And our solar system belongs to Akash Ganga galaxy. Okay, each and every galaxy has name. ओके, जैसे स्कूल के अंदर हर एक क्लासेस के एक अलग अलग नेम होते हैं, फोर्थ क्लास, फिफ्थ क्लास, सिक्स्थ क्लास, वैसे ही यूनिवर्स में जितने भी गैलेक्सीज हैं उनके अलग अलग नेम है. एंड द नेम ऑफ आवर गैलेक्सीज फ्रॉम विच वी बिलोंग्स एंड आवर सोलर सिस्टम बिलोंग्स नॉन एज द आकाश गंगा और मिल्की वे. मिल्की वे इज द नेम ऑफ in English, and Akash Ganga is the ancient name given by our country. Okay, and see what is given here. This band is the Milky Way. Okay, 1.6. Okay, 1.6 में ये जो फिगर है ये हमारे मिल्की वे का है, मीन्स हमारी गैलेक्सी का फिगर है जो कि स्पेस से लिया गया है. एंड अवर सोलर सिस्टम्स आर द पार्ट ऑफ दिस गैलेक्सी. हमारा सन एंड ऑल प्लैनेट्स and moons belongs to these galaxies. Okay, now sometimes a meteor without being completely burnt fall on the earth and creates a hollow. Sorry, we have completed it. We are here. In ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light. Okay, in ancient India, it was imagined to be river of light flowing in the sky. जब हम रात में इस क्लस्टर को देखते हैं, when we see the cluster of stars, it seem like as a river of light. Light के river की तरह दिखाई देती है. As you can see in figure number 1.6, it seem like as a river in the sky, light, river of light. Okay, and thus it was named Akash Ganga. So in ancient India, people gave the name it Akash Ganga, कि ये आकाश में एक गंगा रिवर की तरह दिखाई दे रही है. वो गंगा रिवर is very broad and whitish. Okay, so people gave the name Akash Ganga, यानी आकाश में बहने वाली गंगा. Okay, now a galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars. As I have explained you, stars and galaxy is a huge system. Huge system means a big cluster, yani group of billions of stars. Who is here, beta?
Ma'am, Kruti.
Yes, beta.
मैम वो जो आपने मिल्की वे बोला, मिल्की वे उसका नाम आकाश गंगा तो भी समझ में आता है, लेकिन मिल्की वे क्यों बोला?
मिल्की वे यानी कि वो व्हाइट है, दूध की तरह व्हाइट है, और उससे एक बड़ा सा पाथ बन रहा है रास्ते जैसा. सो दैट इज वे मीन्स रास्ता, मिल्की मीन्स मिल्क मीन्स दूध. तो मिल्की वे मिल्क का रास्ता, यानी एक ऐसा पाथ जहां पर मिल्क से रास्ता बनाया गया हो, वो दूध की तरह व्हाइट दिखाई देता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स अ मिल्की वे.
ओके मैम.
Okay, so as you know that galaxy is the group of billions of stars. Okay, and there are millions of such galaxies that make the universe, और millions of galaxy हमारे universe में है, हमारे space में है, which make our universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is, and it is very difficult to imagine to everyone that how big is our universe. हमारा universe कितना बड़ा है ये अभी तक कोई इमेज नहीं कर पाया है. Nobody measure it. किसी ने भी अभी तक इसका मेजरमेंट नहीं कर पाए. एंड आवर साइंटिस्ट एंड आवर एस्ट्रोनॉमर्स बिलीव दैट इट्स कंटिन्यू ग्रोइंग. इट मीन्स हमारा यूनिवर्स डे बाय डे और बड़ा और बड़ा और बड़ा होता जा रहा है. हम जितने भी ऊपर जाते हैं स्पेस में, ये और बड़ा दिखाई देता है. ओके, so scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. It means our scientists are trying to find out more and more about our universe. कि आखिर यूनिवर्स की जो मिस्ट्री है वो क्या है. ओके, हाउ इट्स बिग, हाउ इट वाज actually it was formed. ओके, एंड वी आर नॉट सर्टेन अबाउट इट्स साइज. अभी तक हमें इसके एग्जैक्ट साइज के बारे में नहीं पता चला, बट वी नो दैट. लेकिन हमें इतना पता है दैट ऑल ऑफ अस, यानी आप सब एंड यू एंड आई बिलोंग टू दिस यूनिवर्स. हम सब इस यूनिवर्स से जुड़े हुए हैं. ओके, वी आर लिविंग इन दिस यूनिवर्स, एंड इन दिस यूनिवर्स व्हाट इज आवर लोकेशन? आवर लोकेशन इज the Milky Way galaxy, where we have sun and 8 planets known as our solar system, and we are part of which? Okay everyone, so we have completed our explanation of this chapter. Have you any doubt? Now we will read page number 5. These things, do you know? Interesting fact, a satellite, a human-made satellite. Okay, have you any doubt till here, beta? Have you any doubt, beta? Okay, तीर्थ, एस्ट्रॉइड. तीर्थ, अगर आप कल का YouTube का बेटा कल की रिकॉर्डिंग YouTube में डालकर ग्रुप में भेजी गई है. इफ यू विल सी देयर, इट विल हेल्पफुल टू यू. आई एक्सप्लेन विद हेल्प ऑफ द डायग्राम. ओके, मैं अभी भी आपको बता देती हूँ, बट यू नीड टू सी द प्रीवियस रिकॉर्डिंग. ओके, YouTube में डालकर भेजा गया है, सो यू कैन ओपन इट एनी टाइम. इट इज इन योर ग्रुप. Okay, I will explain you again in the last. Okay, so now we will read about the do you know on page number 5. Everyone is ready? Now I am giving the name. Who will read? बेटा क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर अभी मैंने आपको करवाया ही नहीं है शुभम. जब मैं एक्सप्लेन करवाऊंगी देन आई विल सेंड यू द PDF ऑफ क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर. Okay, Subham. When our chapter will completed, then I will explain you the question and answer. Then I will send you the PDF. Okay? Dev Saradwa. What happened, Dev? What is your doubt? Dev Saradwa, just a minute, beta. Yes, Dev.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in our geography book, you yesterday give filling the blanks. Last one I don't found. His planet do have their own dash and dash. उसमें क्या आएगा मैम?
बेटा अभी मैं आपको इसके करेक्शन करवाऊंगी. देन आई विल टेल यू. ओके, लेट मी फिनिश दिस पेज, देन आई विल करेक्ट यू दिस आंसर.
ओके मैम.
एक साथ सारे क्वेश्चन का करेक्शन कर लेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस. डू यू नो? ओके, सो हियर इज आई एम रीडिंग दिस और यू विल रीड. ओके, आई एम गिविंग द नेम. ओके, देव सरड़वा, यू स्टार्ट रीडिंग दिस बेटा. Do you know? Dave?
Yes, ma'am, I am reading.
Okay.
Conditions cerebral support life are probably found on the earth. The earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air. which are very essential for our survival. The air has
Dev,
life support.
Dev, beta, we need to read. Do you know?
Oh,
Do
sorry,
you
ma'am.
know
Sorry,
this
ma'am.
box? You are able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry,
Read
ma'am.
this.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay.
Do you know light travel at the speed of about 3,000 kilometers per second? Yet
Beta,
even
3 lakh. It's a 3 lakh.
3 lakh.
3,
3 lakh, ma'am.
3 lakh kilometers.
Yet even with this speed, the light of the sun take about 8 minutes to reach the earth.
Okay. Now read this interesting fact.
Neil Armstrong, ma'am, ये
Ma'am,
क्या है?
Neil Armstrong
Ma'am,
Was
what
the
is
first
Neil?
man to step off the surface of the moon on 21 July 1969. Find out whether any Indian has landed on the moon.
Okay. Now see what is given. Firstly, I'm going to unmute you. Sorry, the mute. Okay. Now see, do you know? Light. Here is the speed of light. Okay, light travels at the speed of about 3 lakh kilometer per second. It means light जो है पर सेकेंड में 3 लाख किलोमीटर की दूरी तक पहुंचती है. ओके, लाइट की जो स्पीड है वो पर सेकेंड, इट मीन्स एक सेकेंड में 3 लाख किलोमीटर है. ओके, तो इसी स्पीड के साथ द सनलाइट takes about 8 minutes to reach to the earth. Okay, 8 minutes to the earth. As you know, the distance of the sun from the earth is 150 million. 150 million kilometer. Okay, so 3 lakh kilometer per second के हिसाब से it takes to 8 minutes to reach the earth. अर्थ पर सनलाइट को पहुंचने में 8 मिनट का टाइम लगता है. ओके, नाउ हियर इज द इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of the moon on July 21, 1969. It was the revolution in the field of astronomer. Okay, that a human being step on the surface of the moon. It was just as a dream. ये एक सपने के जैसा था. जब हम अर्थ पे से ये सोचते थे कि काश हम मून पर जाते, मून पर चल के देखते वहां क्या है, कैसा होता है. ओके, सो इट्स ड्रीम बिकेम ट्रूथ ऑन 21st July 1969 when a human being stepped on the surface of the moon, and the person name was the Neil Armstrong, but he was not alone. Okay, 2 person was together, but स्पेस में से निकलकर, उनके स्पेस क्राफ्ट में से निकलकर सबसे पहले मून पर लैंड, यानी सबसे पहला कदम नील आर्मस्ट्रांग ने ही रखा था. दैट्स व्हाई नील आर्मस्ट्रांग नोन एज द फर्स्ट पर्सन हु स्टेप ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द मून. नाउ हियर इज अ क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट एनी इंडियन हैज लैंडेड ऑन द मून. नाउ वन क्वेश्चन मोर फॉर यू. नील आर्मस्ट्रांग के बाद 21 जुलाई 1969, उस टाइम पे आज के टाइम के हिसाब से टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी डेवलप नहीं थी, बट फिर भी नील आर्मस्ट्रांग वाज सक्सेड टू स्टेप ऑन द मून सरफेस. बट क्या उसके बाद अभी तक दुनिया में कोई दूसरा पर्सन मून पर गया है? और अगर गया है तो क्या कोई इंडियन भी है जो मून पर जिसने मून पर लैंड किया है अभी तक? यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. आई विल आस्क यू टुमारो. Okay, now here is satellite. Now, what is satellite? What is satellite? Firstly, you have to read these 2 paragraphs. Then I will explain you. Now I am giving the name. Trisha, no. Arya Sarasia, you start reading, beta. Arya Sarasia.
Yes, ma'am. A
Okay.
satellite. A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way as the planets move around the sun. A human-made satellite is an artificial body. It is designed by scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. It is carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the Earth. Some of the Indian satellites in space are INSAT,
INSAT.
IRS,
In short, we read it INSAT, IRS, EduSat, etc.
etc.
Okay, so now I'm
Ma'am,
going to explain you. Okay, beta. Now, what is satellite? Firstly, I have explained you that we have two types of satellite during the explanation. First is natural satellite. Second is artificial satellite. Okay. So, firstly, we will read about the satellite. That what is it? It is a celestial body that move around the planet in the same way as the planet move around the sun. Okay. As you know, our planets move around the sun. This is sun and planets move around it. Okay, but satellites move around our planet. On this blue line, here is the satellite. Okay, satellite. It means satellite is a celestial body. As you know, moon is celestial because it's shining and brightening object in the night sky. That's why it is called celestial body. Okay, that moves around the planet. As you know, our moon move around our Earth. Okay, and like as in the same way, the planet move around the sun. जैसे sun के चारों तरफ हमारे planets move करते हैं, वैसे ही all the satellites move around our planets. Okay. So this is called satellite. What is satellite? A satellite is a celestial body that move around the planet. आप इतना लिखोगे, it will also enough. A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planet. Okay. If you are writing in a long answer, then you can add in the same way as the planet move around the sun. Okay. Now we will read about the artificial satellite. Now, what is called artificial satellite? A satellite which is made up by the man and sent into the orbit of the space or planet known as the artificial planet. This is the definition in our own word. ये तो हमारे own word में definition हुई कि what is man-made satellite. Man-made satellites are artificial satellites which is made up by the human beings with the artificial things. Okay. But now we will read what is given here. A human-made satellite is an artificial body. It is designed by scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. It is carried by a rocket and placed in orbit around the Earth. Okay. Some of the Indian satellites in space are INSAT, ERS, EduSat, etc. Now you can see the process. Here is the rocket launch. सबसे पहले इस रॉकेट में सैटेलाइट को रखकर लॉन्च किया जाता है. It means we send rocket in the space. Okay, and after then rocket falls back on the earth. यहाँ पर सैटेलाइट से अलग होकर रॉकेट वापस अर्थ पर आकर गिरता है and it's oftenly falls in the oceans. Okay, ताकि वहां से लेकर इन्हें वापस यूज किया जा सके. And now you can see here, now this satellite opened. Now this satellite opened in this shape and now it's moving around the orbit of the earth. Okay, so this is called the artificial satellite. Many students were asking me yesterday that how our astronomers and scientists know that which asteroid comes near to the earth and what is the speed of that particular asteroids, meteoroids and planets. So these artificial satellites also help us to know about these things. Okay, done beta. And here is the given name, some of the Indian satellites in space. यानी इंडिया की तरफ से स्पेस में भेजे गए कुछ सैटेलाइट्स हैं which are on the INSAT, IRS, EduSat, etc. Okay, have you any doubt here, beta? Now I'm going to again explain the meteoroids and asteroids. Still here, have you any doubt? Srushti Malashna, you have a doubt? Okay, beta, just a minute. Srushti, just a minute, beta. Yes?
मैम
Yes, beta.
मैम मुझे वो पता नहीं चला मिल्की वे मतलब क्या आप जब समझा रहे थे तब मेरे में नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम था। मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी को क्या बोलते हैं?
बेटा मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी का नाम है, और गैलेक्सी क्या है? बिलियंस ऑफ स्टार का ग्रुप। बहुत बहुत सारे लाखों हजारों करोड़ों उसके अंदर स्टार्स होते हैं। बहुत सारे स्टार जब एक ही जगह ग्रुप में होते हैं, बिलियंस ऑफ स्टार, दिस इज कॉल्ड गैलेक्सी। और वो इतने बड़े बहुत सारे होते हैं, और उनकी लाइट की वजह से स्काई में ऐसा लगता है कि एक आकाश गंगा यानी कि स्काई में बहने वाली गंगा बन गई हो वो। और इंग्लिश में मिल्की वे कहते हैं। हमारी जो गैलेक्सी है उसका नाम मिल्की वे है। ओके
ओके
बहुत सारी गैलेक्सीज हमारे यूनिवर्स में है।
ओके मैम आप आज भेजोगे क्वेश्चन आंसर की पीडीएफ?
नो बेटा, आज तो वर्कशीट ही करना है। कल करेंगे हम क्वेश्चन आंसर, देन आई विल सेंड यू द पीडीएफ। ओके
ओके मैम मैं एस्ट्रोनॉट का रीड करूं? मैंने कभी भी नहीं किया।
ओके स्टार्ट रीडिंग एस्टेरॉइड्स। Many students want to know about the asteroids and meteoroids again.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Asteroids. Apart from the star, planets and satellites, there are numerous and tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Scientists are of the view that asteroids are parts of the planet which exploded many years back. Meteoroids.
Okay, beta, just a minute. Asteroid. Firstly, everyone listen. What is asteroid? Just a minute. Okay, now what is asteroids? Apart from the stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. Okay, in our solar system, we have planets, satellites, sun, star is used for the sun. Okay, we have many tiny bodies, यानी छोटे छोटे से और भी bodies हैं which are move around the sun, जो कि हमारे sun के चारों तरफ घूम रहे हैं. Okay, and these asteroids found between the orbit of the Mars and Jupiter. See, this is sun. Just a minute, I am showing you. Sun. Okay, and here are our all planets. Okay, here is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars and Jupiter. J for Jupiter, M for Mars. So asteroids we found here. Mars और Jupiter के orbit के बीच में, these red colors are asteroids. Okay, and they also move around the sun. They also move around the sun. And our scientists believe that these asteroids are made up of stone and dust. Okay, and our scientists believe that these asteroids are parts of our planets. हमारे इन्हीं planets में से किसी का part है जो कि एंशिएंट टाइम में एक्सप्लोड होकर इन प्लैनेट से बाहर निकल के घूम रहे हैं. ओके, एक ब्लास्ट हुआ कभी प्लैनेट्स में भी, ऐसा कुछ ब्लास्ट हुआ है एंशिएंट टाइम में, जिसकी वजह से वो उनके अंदर से निकलकर और यहाँ बीच में आ गया, और तब से यहाँ पर ये फ्लोट कर रहे हैं, मूव कर रहे हैं सन के चारों तरफ. दिस इज कॉल्ड एस्ट्रॉइड. ओके, This is a example of asteroid which we found on the earth. अर्थ पर भी आकर कभी कभी ये एस्ट्रॉइड्स गिरे हैं. ओके, एंड नाउ व्हाट इज कॉल्ड मेट्रॉइड्स. नाउ मेट्रॉइड्स क्या है? द स्मॉल पीसेज ऑफ रॉक्स विच मूव अराउंड द सन आर कॉल्ड मेट्रॉइड्स. ये भी स्मॉल पीसेज हैं जो कि सन के चारों तरफ घूम रहे हैं. बट व्हाट इज द लोकेशन ऑफ मेट्रॉइड्स? सी, सन. These are our planets. Here are the meteoroids. ये जो हमारा सन है ये सन में से निकले हैं. मेट्रोइड्स कम फ्रॉम द सन. सन के अंदर जो ब्लास्ट हो रहा है कंटिन्यू हीलियम और हाइड्रोजन गैस जलने की वजह से, उसकी वजह से ये मेट्रोइड्स बने हैं. ओके, एंड सम टाइम दीज मेट्रोइड्स केम नियर टू द अर्थ. और कभी कभी, सपोज दिस इज अवर अर्थ, यहाँ से निकलने पर इनका फोर्स इतना होता है कि कभी कभी ये मेट्रोइड्स हमारे अर्थ के पास आ जाते हैं. बट जब ये हमारे अर्थ के पास आते हैं तब अर्थ के एनवायरनमेंट में, एयर में आकर इनके अंदर ये घिस जाते हैं आपस में. और इनमें ऐसे फ्रिक्शंस की वजह से, एयर में फ्रिक्शन यानी एयर से घिसने की वजह से, दे हीट अप एंड बर्न. वो गर्म हो जाते हैं और जल जाते हैं. कभी कभी तो अर्थ के पास पहुंचने से पहले ही ये जलकर स्पेस में ही खत्म हो जाते हैं. बट सम टाइम व्हेन दे आर नॉट कंप्लीटली बर्न, जब ये कभी कभी पूरी तरीके से नहीं जल पाते, देन दे एंटर इन द एनवायरनमेंट ऑफ अर्थ एंड फॉल डाउन. ये अर्थ पर आकर गिरते हैं एंड मेक अ बिग होलो. ओके, जिस स्पीड से, जिस साइज में ये अर्थ पर आते हैं, उसी स्पीड और साइज के अकॉर्डिंग अर्थ के ऊपर होलो बनते हैं. ओके, तो जब ये मेट्रोइड्स अर्थ पर आकर गिरते हैं तो उससे पहले ये घिस जाते हैं. इस तरीके से घिसने लगते हैं और इस तरीके से एक ब्राइट थिंग्स हमें दिखाई देती है. दिस इज कॉल्ड मेट्रोइड्स. ओके, okay beta, clear now? Have you any doubt? Now we will do the correction of our work. Have you any doubt beta? Beta, ring is made up of dust like as sand. That ring is made up of dust like as sand. और वो सैंड बहुत, उस पर जब सन की लाइट पड़ती है तो उसकी वजह से वो चमकती है, इसलिए वो रिंग हमें एक रिंग के जैसे दिखाई देती है. ओके यागिनी? ओके, नाउ वी विल डू द करेक्शन. We will do the correction of MCQs. Now see the planet as the Earth twins is. Give the answer, everyone. Give the answer. Then I will tell you what is correct answer. Twins of Earth is yes, Venus. Twins of Earth is Venus. Now next question, which is the third nearest planet to the Sun? Which is the third nearest planet to the Sun? Yes, correct answer, Earth. Okay, all are giving correct answer, Earth. Okay, beta, now next question is, all the planets move around the Sun in a all planets move around the Sun in a which path? Circular path, rectangular path, elongated path. What is our correct answer? Yes, orbit, it is known as the elongated path. Our orbit is in the shape of elongated or in elongated path. Okay. Now next is the pole star indicate the direction to the pole star indicate the direction to the, yes, it's north. Okay. Pole star indicates the north. Pole star indicates the north direction. Okay, always. That's why it is also known as the North Star. Okay, now turn your page. Now, E is asteroids are found between the orbits of Saturn and Jupiter, Mars and Jupiter, the Earth and Mars. Write your correct answer. Yes, Mars and Jupiter. Mars and Jupiter. Okay, asteroids are found between the Mars and Jupiter. Now fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A group of dash forming various patterns is called a. Here should become a group of stars forming various patterns is called a constellation. Okay, a group of stars forming various patterns is called a constellation. This is also became the definition of constellation. A group of stars forming various patterns is called a constellation. Now here is a huge system of stars is called galaxy. Okay, a huge system is cluster or group of star is called galaxy. Now C1, dash is the closest celestial body to our earth. Dash is the closest celestial body to our earth. It is the moon. मून हमारे सबसे क्लोजेस्ट सेलेशियल बॉडी में से एक है. ओके, जितनी भी सेलेशियल बॉडीज हैं उनमें से सबसे क्लोजेस्ट मून है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज डैश इज द थर्ड नियरेस्ट प्लैनेट टू द सन. दिस इज अवर प्लैनेट और अर्थ. ओके, नाउ E number, planets do not have their own light and heat. Planets do not have their own light and heat. Planets do not have their own light and heat. Okay, beta, done this. Now, worksheet. I will send you the PDF, so don't worry. Okay, I will send you PDF of worksheet till page number 21. Okay, so you have to complete page number 21. Okay, in your homework, in worksheet. At what speed does light travel? It is 3 lakh kilometers per second. How long does light of the sun take to reach the earth? It is 8 minutes. Who was the first man to step on the surface of the moon? It was Neil Armstrong. When was this attempt made? 21 July 1969. And what is a satellite? It is a celestial body which move around the planet. Okay. And what is the difference between natural satellite and human-made satellites? Natural satellites are made up by the nature, and the human-made satellites are an artificial satellite which was designed by the scientists. Okay. Now name any 2 Indian satellites in space. INSAT, EDUSAT, etc. Okay. Now does the moon favor human or planet life on the earth? Give a reason for your answer. So, it has a mountainous surface and it is not perfect for a life. Okay, so it's not support life on it. Now What are asteroids? Asteroids are found between Mars and Jupiter. So you have to complete by reading your paragraph of other heavenly bodies. Okay, everyone? This is your homework. Page number 21. I will send you a PDF of worksheet till page number 21 today after 3 p.m. Okay, beta? So now I'm going to take your attendance. Beta, those doubts are remaining. You can write in your notebook. Tomorrow I will ask you. Okay, you can ask me from tomorrow lecture. Tomorrow lecture. Those doubts are remaining. You can ask me in tomorrow lecture. Okay, we will do tomorrow. We will do the page number 22 and 23 also in worksheet, and I will give you homework and PDF of question and answer. Okay, everyone. So now everyone, take care. Goodbye. Now you can leave, beta.